Kurdi.
Siktir git.
Why?
Are you Kurdi?
Yeah.
I hate Kurdish people, okay?
Okay, why?
Because that's a lot of choice. Like,
A lot of choice, a lot of bad choice. Why are you making so much bad choice?
because I'm racist.
You're
That's all.
racist.
Yeah, yeah,
Racist.
yeah,
You,
Yeah.
yeah? Racist.
yeah, that's all, yeah.
You happy racist?
Yeah.
Why? Let's see
Because
if you let's see if you have a blame. Explain. Logic. Where's logic? Come on, logic.
like, black people is better than Kurdish, okay? That's all.
Why would that why are you even doing comparing humans like
Because
this?
they're stupid, bro. That's all.
Come on, if you are a man, you will explain. Let's see if you have a brain. You have no
No,
brain.
I don't have to. I don't have to explain.
So you don't have a brain.
No.
You don't have a brain.
Yeah.
We know this. We know you don't have a brain.
Like Kurdish people.
You're all
like
brainwashed,
Kurdish people.
brainwashed, propaganda in your head. You have no
like
idea.
Kurdish
You
people,
cannot think.
Like, laugh at my ass.
What?
Okay. Lamar.
You're, you're trying to say laughing my ass off.